Hello everyone, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy F56 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first open the settings, then find and select wallpaper and style, go to change wallpapers, pick the photo that you want to cover your screen with. You can choose one from featured wallpapers, something from your own gallery, then you can go into graphical wallpapers, color wallpapers, or something from Samsung wallpaper services. Let me pick something from featured wallpapers. Okay, so for example, doggo. Let's apply it just for home screen. And here you can change the frame as well if you want to. Mark frame, pick the one that you prefer. Let me go with this one. You can customize it, tap on done, and wait till it's set. And as you can see from now on, this photo is covering your home screen. So this is how you can apply new wallpaper. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.